Hi there, my name is Danielle and I have been coming to Dr. Alex for the last couple years. I decided to come to Dr. Alex because I'm actually very thin and I was concerned with hollowing in my face and wanted to restore volume. And I wanted to also make sure that I maintain that young, youthful, glowing skin always. I've done Botox and I've done Voluma, and the results have been amazing. The no filter treatment for me is absolutely amazing. I noticed the coloring in my skin, the glowing of my skin, and the actual texture of my skin is like night and day. Botox doesn't hurt, it's easy, and it helps maintain that even more so for me. And the Voluma, which I was actually scared of at the very beginning, that is easy, it doesn't hurt, and that just makes everything come together and looks even better.